Every smartphone begins with the earth beneath our feet. Heavy loads of rare metals begin their journey to the factory. From the mines to the gates of technology. Precision begins at the very first handling of raw materials. Crushing transforms raw rock into manageable fragments.
Magnets remove impurities before further refinement.
Chemical refinement extracts valuable elements.
Purity is essential for high-performance electronics.
Drying locks in the elements needed for circuits and components.
Alloys combine strength, conductivity, and durability. Ingots are the raw backbone of every electronic device. From basic metals to high-tech components, the journey continues. Every ingot is carefully received, ready for meticulous preparation.
Precision starts with the cleanest possible material.